the stamp set that I'm using is Lovely Arrangements. We'll have a look at that first. So just a really nice one, simple flowers, solid leaf, and some really nice sentiments. So just a note, happy birthday, you are so lovely, so very much, which I'm assuming that you can team up with other ones. Sending smiles, always here for you, hello friend, thank you, and love you. So some really, really great sentiments in that one. I have already prepared this. Now the stamps on the inside are slightly bigger than the stamps on the front of the page. So just bear that in mind. It doesn't really say on the bottom here how much bigger they are anymore, but they're slightly bigger. And then the dies that go with them are really cool. So we've got some circles, and I just had a real quick thought just as I was coming live that I'm actually going to use that one. I wasn't going to, but I thought, yeah, I've sort of, the creative juices are all flowing this morning. And we got some leaves. I should show you this one, shouldn't I? Some leaves and solid leaves, and of course all the images that are going to die cut, the dies that are going to die cut the images on the front cover. And then we've got some label dies and then some background dies. So very cool. And then I'm also got out the Lovely Stripes embossing folder, and this is really a really nice one. They do tend to get stuck in the folder, so you'll see that as I do it. Good morning, Marilyn, how are you going? So we're going to use that as well. So these three products are actually going to be in my Stamp by Mail, and Stamp by Mail is actually open to anyone in Australia. I have demonstrators who do it as well. You know, if you're a hobby demonstrator and you just want some stress-free card making, you are more than welcome to join as well. I think that's it. Okay.